Hi friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about stone facial tools. So I got my hands on two of them. The first one is called a jade roller. This is how it looks. It contains two jade stones, a bigger one and a smaller one on the both ends. And also I got my hands on this contoured stone which is called the gua sha. So I'm going to give you all the details about both these facial tools, and also I will show you the demo how to use them and how your skin can benefit from them. So without further ado, let's get started. I got my jade roller and gua sha from this brand named Saturn by Good Health Company, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. The jade stones in this jade roller are 100% real jade stones. It massages the skin very gently. It helps stimulate lymph nodes to drain the fluids. The roller helps reduce skin inflammation and redness. It also improves in skin elasticity. You can scan the QR code present on the outer packaging and visit www.saturn.health and get more information about their products. Now I'm getting started with the application. First I'm applying some serum on my face. You can also use some face oil or cream, whichever you prefer. And now I'm applying the jade roller on my skin. Never use it on dry skin because it can then burst capillaries. Just use it on some serum or oil. It will help it glide well on your skin, and it also helps in better product absorption. The jade stones are naturally cold, so you can just apply them and feel relaxed. The bigger stone, which is the face roller, helps increase blood circulation on our face. It also promotes the appearance of healthier skin. Now I'm going to use the under eye stone. It helps reduce puffy eyes and helps reduce dark circles and inflammation. Now it's time to talk about the gua sha. Gua sha is a contoured piece of stone that helps in a similar way, just like the jade stone roller does, to massage our skin. It helps to stimulate the lymph nodes to drain the fluids out. It fights acne and reduces puffiness under the eyes. You can use this gentle curved side of the gua sha to scrape up on your neck. Use this indent to shape your jaws, moving towards the ears, and also use it on the bridge of your nose. Now use this longer, straighter edge from the sides of your mouth towards your cheeks and then outwards. Now use the rounded corner under your eyes and also on your brow bones. Now finish up with the flat edge to massage your forehead. The price of this jade roller is Rs 599. Also, the price of this gua sha stone is Rs 599. So I got my jade roller and my gua sha stone from Saturn by Good Health Company. If you want to get yours, do check out the description because I will be mentioning purchase links in the description. And I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.